Hello, maayong adlaw ka natong tanan. Okay ba sa oras sa diha, but right now, upon recording this video, it is exactly 12:30 here in the state of California. I just want to thank you guys for supporting what we are fighting for. We're fighting for truth, freedom, and the sovereignty of our country. Now, karon, I've actually seen this coming from a mile away. Kibaw gyud kaayo ko nga i-take out of context so akong last live ganin ako nga katong nag-teleport ko from one place to the other, 3 locations while on live. Daghan kay kog nakita ang videos only recently nga of me katong from my last live nga ila jong gi-take into account ang katong information ganin nga gi-feed sa kuha. Katong ganing purtigo nilang paninguhan nga kasuhan kong inciting sedition. So ilang gi-splice ang mga clips sa katong last live nako, unya ilang gipang post as true. So I actually have seen this coming from a mile away. I'm telling you. Kini sila ganahan purtigo nilang paninguha nga i-feed kog information nga mga sayop gani. Ganahan gyud kay sila nga kasuhan kog inciting sedition. Now what is inciting sedition? Now inciting sedition is basically pag-awhag sa mga katawhan nga mag-alsa against the government. Kanang akong mong encourage to revolt against the government ba? But that's not what I'm doing. I'm simply trying to let you know that you guys have rights. You have every right to demand transparency, accountability from the public officials that we have voted to serve us and our country. Mauna ang akong giawhag kanyong tanan. I did not say nga kanang pag-revolution mo riha. No, I did not say that. Because I truly believe that the Philippines has a very robust set of rules and regulations set for our nation and the Filipino people. I believe in the Philippine government. It's just so sad that it is being run by clowns. Mauna ang akong gibot pasabot. Okay? It is terrible to think that the people that are running our country is not sane. We need sane public officials. We need sane government officials. Mauna akong gihawhag ang tanan nga pwede mo speak up because it is our right. Ha? Unya, iladyo kong pugson nga kanang musulti gid ko ba nga na-detain pa diri si Lisa Marcos. Again, I am telling you guys, I am telling from what I know. I am just recounting from what I know and the information that I have. Now, this is the information that I have. Okay? Ako dyan siya balik-balikon because this is the only thing that I know and I have. Okay? Kana si Bangag, si Lisa Tanas, kana siya, addict na siya. Okay? Addict ng dako and manyak na silang duha. Manyak na silang duha. Kasabot mong tanan diha, kamong mga supporter sa Bangag administration, ha? Kasabot mo o pagbugo-bugo lang yun mo? Kasabot mo ada, addict ang inyong leader. Gadugo naman ganing baba na. Okay. Ilagi kong pugson lagi ko nila. Nga mo ingon gyud ko nga nabali. What I know is that wala lagi siya gipapauli. Wala lagi. Moto. A few weeks after Paulo Tantocos death. Wa mo kabantay. Ang mga post niya kay puro closed doors and puros mga edited. Why? Because she was not there in the Philippines. After a few weeks atong pagkahitabo, presko pa kaayo. Wala to siya sa Pilipinas. All closed doors events ang iyang pangapilan. Again, kay wala siya gipapauli. They were held for questioning.